Hello mga habiters, I am Habitor Owen on our Extra Math Challenge. And our Extra Math Challenge for today is all about grade 9 math. In quarter 3, random questions for parallel assessment. So in our first problem, it is all about length of the mid-segment of a trapezoid. So we have here an example of a trapezoid. Okay. So in our first problem, it is given that the length of the bases of the trapezoid is equal to 20 and 24 respectively. So the length of our upper base is equal to 20 and the length of our lower base is equal to 24. So we are asked to find the length of the mid-segment of a trapezoid. So what is the mid-segment, or where is the mid-segment of a trapezoid? So the mid-segment of a trapezoid is a segment equidistant from the lower base and from the upper base. Okay. So in finding the length of the mid-segment, we have a formula a plus b over 2. Okay, so ms is equal to, so suppose our a is equal to 20 and our b is equal to 24. So ms is equal to 20 plus 24 over 2. So let's add 20 plus 24 is equal to 44 over 2. And ms, or the mid segment, is equal to 22. So our mid segment is equal to 22.
1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, so another example about length of the mid segment of a trapezoid. So how about the bases are equal to 18 and 14 respectively. So the upper base is equal to 18 and the lower base is equal to 14. And we are asked again to find the length of the mid segment. So we're using again the formula to find the length of the mid segment of a trapezoid. A plus b ms is equal to a plus b over 2. Suppose our a is 18 and our b is equal to 14 over 2. Okay, so ms add 18 plus 14 is equal to 32 over 2. So ms is equal to 16. So the length of the mid-segment of a trapezoid in this problem is equal to 16. Okay, so another problem. So in our next problem, it is all about the perimeter of a kite. So we have here an example of a kite. So by definition, the head sides of a kite are congruent. and the leg sides of a kite are also congruent. So in our first problem in perimeter of a kite, it is given that the sides are 20 units and 18 units. So this side, this head side is equal to 18 and this tail side is equal to 20. So in this question, or in this problem, we are asked to find the perimeter of a kite. So to find the perimeter of a kite, we need to add all the sides of a kite. So to find the perimeter, we're going to find first the missing sides. So since the head sides are congruent, then this side is also 18. And because this tail sides are also congruent, then it is 20 as well. Okay? So because we're asked the perimeter of a kite, we need to add all the sides of a kite. 18 plus 18 plus 20 is 20. Okay. P is equal to, so 18 plus 18 is equal to 36 plus 20 plus 20 is equal to 40. Okay. So 36 plus 40 is equal to 76. So the perimeter of this kite is equal to 76. Okay? So another question. So what if this side is equal to 20 and this side is equal to 24? Okay? So since the heads are congruent, then it is 20 as well. And these sides are congruent, then this side is 24 as well. Okay? To find the perimeter of a kite, we need to add all the sides of a kite. So 20 plus 20 plus 24 plus 24. So P is equal to 20 plus 20 is equal to 40 plus 24 plus 24 is equal to 48. Then the perimeter is equal to 88. Okay, so let's go to the next problem. So our next random problem is all about isosceles. Isosceles right triangle. So we have here an example of a isosceles right triangle. So we write B, C, and A. Okay? So in our first problem, it is given that BC, or this side, is equal to 8. So in the first problem, we are asked to find the AC. So this leg side. So in the isosceles right triangle, legs side are congruent. Okay. So since they're congruent, so this also 8. Okay. So the next problem, we are asked to find the AB. or this side, the hypotenuse. Okay? So, alright, C. So in this problem, we can use Pythagorean theorem. C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. Okay? So, C squared is equal to our A, 8 squared, plus our B, 8 squared. So, A times 8 is equal to 64, plus 8 times 8 is equal to 64 as well. C squared. So, let's add 64 plus 64 is equal to 128. And the square root of 128. So, the square root of 128 is equal to 8 square root of 2. Or, we can use the theorem 45 90 theorem, where it says that the hypotenuse is equal to square root of 2 times the length of the leg, where is 8. Okay? Okay, so it is proved or that this side is equal to 8 square root of 2. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something. Peace out. Thank you.